We have color. We have odor. We have volume, and we have specific gravity. We have color, odor, volume, specific gravity. And of course, with the color only, I will talk about the appearance. What is the color usually? Light yellow. I'll just rub this because I don't have space. So, what is the color? The color is light yellow. Light yellow. This is the color of normal urine. So why is it light yellow? So light yellow or straw yellow, they say this is due to the presence of the pigment urochrome. Urochrome. So because of this pigment, the color is yellow. Light yellow or straw yellow. And what is the appearance? The appearance is clear and transparent. Clear and transparent. So now what kind of alterations would you have? The color might become deep yellow, dark yellow. If your urine is very concentrated, that is if you're not taking enough water, if you're reduced fluid intake, then it might become dark yellow. And it might become orange. Why? If you're taking this vitamin B complex, so vitamin B complex makes the urine color orange. It might become pink. That is if you are taking too much of the beetroots in diet. Beetroot consumption. Beetroot diet. And it might become red. So why red? Because if due to any reason there is blood coming in the urine, and in physiological conditions like menstruation, blood will come in the urine, even in normal urine. So red during menstruation. So when can the appearance be altered? So if there is any kidney disease, and for that reason if the proteins start coming out in the urine, then it will become cloudy. The odor is aromatic. Aromatic. So what happens is, if the urine stands for a long time, then it will undergo bacterial decomposition, and then the odor becomes unpleasant. Unpleasant ammoniacal odor. On standing for long time. Volume and specific gravity. So volume, what is the normal volume of urine which a normal person will void per day? So it's approximately 1000 to 2000 ml per day, which means roughly 1 to 2 liters per day. That is in a normal person, that is in a healthy person. So in which conditions this can be altered? So this can be increased in one, weather, cold weather conditions. We all know that in winter we tend to void more urine. Then also high protein diet. High protein diet. So if we take more amount of proteins, due to the diuretic effect of urea, so urea has this diuretic effect as the proteins are metabolized to urea. So due to the diuretic effect of urea, there is physiological polyuria, which means physiologically the volume of urine will increase. In which conditions will the volume of urine decrease? The volume of urine will decrease in one, hot weather, and associated with this hot weather will be perspiration, means sweating. So if you are sweating, already your fluids are being lost as sweat, so you will not feel the need to void again. And 3, strenuous exercise. Even strenuous exercise will lower your urine output. Specific gravity of normal urine is 1.012 to 1.024. Specific gravity is calculated using urinometer. Urinometer. The urinometer is dipped into the glass container which is containing the urine, and we observe the lower meniscus. The reading of the lower meniscus will be the observed specific gravity. Let's say your observed specific gravity is 1.013. So here we must note that the urinometer is normally calibrated at 15 degrees C. So as the room temperature is more, so we have to make the adjustment accordingly. How? Calibrated temperature 15 degrees C. Room temperature, for example, 36 degrees C. Just say, like for India, we can take like 36 randomly. So the rule is, for every 3 degrees C increase, we have to add the correction factor of 0.001. Correction factor. So what should be our correction factor here? The correction factor should be, so how much increase do we have? 36 degree minus 15 degree divided by 3 into 0.001. So that gives us 21 by 3 into 0.001, that gives us 0.007. That is your correction factor. So, the final calculated specific gravity will be the observed specific gravity plus the correction. Observed plus CF. That means 1.013 plus 0.007. 1.013 plus 0.007. Right? That is equal to 1.020. This is the calculated specific gravity. Calculated specific gravity of urine. This is very, very important because this is usually asked in the exams and you have to write as well as answer the examiner. pH of normal urine. So according to many standard practical textbooks, it is in the range of 4.8 to 7.5. Different textbooks have given it slightly differently, but this is one different standard. So in which conditions will the pH become acidic? So the pH of urine becomes acidic in high protein diet. If you take a high protein diet, the pH of urine will drop. And in which conditions does it become alkaline? It becomes alkaline if you take more amount of vegetables and fruits in diet. Also, if you leave the urine on prolonged standing, bacterial decomposition occurs. So bacterial decomposition of the urea will release the ammonia, and because of that reason the pH will become alkaline.